Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to PayPal commercial subscriptions easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with PayPal commercial subscriptions, first, log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Tools tab at the top of the page. Click on Tools to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Business Setup. In the Business Setup section, locate the Recurring Payments option. Click on Recurring Payments to access the subscription settings. Next, select Create a Subscription to begin the process. You will be prompted to fill out a form detailing the subscription plan. Enter the name of your subscription plan and a brief description. Set the billing amount you wish to charge your customers. Choose the billing cycle for your subscription, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Specify the number of billing cycles, or set it to forever for continuous billing. Configure any trial periods if you want to offer your customers a free introduction. Decide if you want to add taxes and shipping costs. Once you have filled out all the required fields, review your settings. Finally, click Create Plan to save your subscription plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.